Hey, Sejin here. Midjourney just came out with its latest update that allows you to pan your generated images, which is pretty cool. I'm going to show you how you can pan from left to right and up and down so you can test it out yourself. Let's get a little bit crazy today and see what we can come up with. Let's dive right in. Let me open up my Midjourney and start prompting. Imagine a close-up of a small white rabbit, lush garden, hyper-realistic. Okay, let's take a closer look. Number 3 looks pretty wild, but I think I'll go with number 1. Now, in order to pan, you need to upscale it every time. So let's upscale number 1 by hitting the U1 button. Okay, before we start panning, you have to make sure that you have remix enabled in order for you to reprompt each pan. So type /prefer remix and hit enter, and just state that remix mode is turned on. Now let's click on the pan down button and revise the prompt so that we can get more of the lush garden in the image. Okay, let's take a closer look. I like number 3, so let me upscale it by pressing U3. Let's pan down again and reprompt it by inputting an enchanted forest. Okay, let's take a closer look. Oh, that's super cute. Let's upscale number 1 by clicking the U1 button. Now, let's switch it up and custom zoom the image. Let's reprompt so that the image includes more of the enchanted forest, and let's change the zoom to 1.5. Okay, let's take a closer look. It sure does look enchanted with all the flowers and soft lighting. I like number 2, so let's upscale number 2. Now let's change course and pan to the right. I want to add a totally different scene on the right side, so let me revise it to include a winter wonderland with a castle. Okay, let's take a closer look. Oh, nice. I really like how the castle is in the backdrop surrounded by a snowy landscape. I like number 1, so let's upscale number 1. Okay, now let's pan left and make it more interesting by adding a mystical woodland with creatures. Okay, let's take a closer look. Oh, this one is really cute. Midjourney added another rabbit. I was hoping for other types of creatures like a bear or a dragon, but this will do. I like number 4, so let's upscale this one. Okay, now let's get a little imaginative and custom zoom this one by adding some planets and stars. I'll change the aspect ratio to 3:2 and change the zoom to 1.5. Okay, let's take a closer look. Now things got a little crazy with the planets and stars all over the image. Let's choose one that seems a little bit more balanced. I'll go with number 3. Okay, let's pan up now and give the sky a little bit more details by adding more planets and stars. Let me delete the aspect ratio. Okay, let's take a closer look. This is interesting. It's not quite what I imagined, but it looks like a poster for a sci-fi movie about extraterrestrial rabbits or something. Sometimes Midjourney puts in random text in your image. I like number 2, so let's upscale that. Let's zoom out a bit more with the same prompt. Okay, let's take a closer look. I like the bright moon on number 4, so let's upscale that one. And there you have it. There's some interesting quirks of panning, but all in all, it's quite interesting. It seems like each time you pan and reprompt the picture, it isn't always cohesive, but maybe that's because my prompt wasn't as detailed. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this and learned a little bit about panning on Midjourney's latest update. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.